guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Designs by Stephanie. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, I would love to have you as part of the DBS family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the little notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. This month I am doing Inktober. I'm going to play it by my own rules, as I do everything. I'm going to do a sketch each and every day. I'm going to try my best to anyway. And then I'm going to load my sketch up here in fast speed. And what I am going to do for each one of my sketches is going to be around a theme that I can use in my Etsy shop or my Spreadshirt shop to put on t-shirts or to put on stickers. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm either going to do fall, autumn, winter, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, or New Year's will be my theme for all of my sketches. I got a little slight schedule. It's not really a schedule. It's not telling me what to draw. It's just, you know, first I start with Halloween, blah, 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 and go through that. And then just to make sure I have enough to put up on my shop. So if you're interested in seeing what I drew today for Inktober, then stick around and stay tuned. Alright guys, that was the end of my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you have any questions, please check the description box below for any items that I use. Or if you have any comments, just comment below and let me know, and I'll be sure to respond as always. So thank you guys for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.